Hi friends, we're Cherri and Cornelius Bornman, and we're so excited to be speaking at the WELL Conference.
This conference is for creatives, whether you're a singer, musician, writer, speaker, author, filmmaker, dancer, or creative artist of any kind.
If you're part of the church and you desire to use your creative gifts more intentionally, this space is for you.
We will be leading a session focused on how, as a family, we can steward our creative gifts with intention and faith.
We'll be sharing through our own creative expressions. Cornelius through speaking, storytelling, and his artistic gifts.
And Cherri through music, speaking, and writing, showing how God uses creativity to build connection and community.
So as part of the WELL Conference 12 Days of Christmas giveaway, we're giving away something really special.
You'll have a chance to win Cherri's Gathering with Purpose, Welcome to the Table guidebook.
Plus a free 30-minute consult with us to help you think through using your creative gifts with intention in your home, your family, or ministry.
To enter and earn points,
like this post, follow the WELL Conference, and you'll be entered to win. We can't wait to see you there.